How to log in into Targo Bank online banking account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, you have to type in Targo Bank login. As you do so, you will see its official website at the first search result that says online login. Click onto it. Now here you will be given option to translate this page. Let's go ahead and switch this to English. Now as you do so, you will see login option on your right hand side. Click on to login. Once you click on to login, you will land onto this dialog box. Here you have to type in your username. Once done, type in your password at this box. If you would like to save your username for this site for next time, check the box that says Save My Username. Once you do all that, click on to Log In Now. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on Forgotten your login details and get help resetting your account. If your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Targo Bank online. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.